Hey guys, look at these blue surprises. And let's start with heart surprise. And inside of it, who is this pretty? Oh, I think this is a pet shop character. Look at her wings. It looks like she can fly. Yes. I like your pretty eyes. Your eyes are blue like our surprises. And let's open another blue surprise, and inside is... Oh, look here. Here's Richard. Hi, Richard. Richard is a friend of Peppa Pig. Oh, Richard, you have blue costume like our surprise eggs. Okay, what is inside here? Oh, inside is Nom. He is laughing at something. You're so happy. Look at this small Nom. What is inside of this light blue surprise? Oh, who is here? I think this is Sky from Paw Patrol movie, right? Okay. What is inside here? Oh, and inside is Hello Kitty. Oh, Kitty, you have also blue dress like our blue surprises. Guess who is inside? Oh, and inside is Pony, Applejack. Look at her yellow hair. You're so pretty. And the last one. Look inside. Here is Mickey Mouse. Mickey, come on. Oh, Mickey, you're a little bit messy with Play-Doh. Sorry for that. But we missed you, really missed you, Mickey. Thank you for watching us. We are always glad to see you at Kids Toys channel. To have more fun, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.